What's up, guys? I got another video here today. It's pretty new what I'm doing to the car. You probably saw one of my YouTube shorts that I got ITBs, but that's gonna wait. I'm gonna show you them. But yeah, these are silver top ITBs from AE101. But yeah, I was trying to experiment with my harness. So a lot of people do is they get a mega square ECU and they just modify their harness, like deleting the airflow meter and just jumping the fuel pump wire. But I don't know. I'll tell you something. I'll tell you more about the car right now. It's just a little. Man, it's windy. Alright, so what I'm doing with this car is I'm gonna do a airflow meter to map conversion. I know some people don't even do it because they just stick to the airflow meter. But for mine, I'll tell you real quick about the car. Like, the tachometer was giving me issues. I tried fixing the wire, and I don't know what happened. I barely even moved it, and I lost spark. I think it fucked up my coil. I get no spark on my coil, and my igniter's acting weird. I don't even know. And whatever. I tried replacing. I bought like 3 distributors, thinking it was a distributor, because the wires were like messed up. Because what the guys did when I took it to get like, I needed help, and I call it, I don't know, I think they bought like the wrong distributor, and they just they resoldered the wires. So the car started before, right? And you know how I said the tachometer was fucking up? And I even replaced the cluster and like another GTS cluster. It was the same thing. I was still getting the same I call it RPMs. It was all sticky and bouncy, and like the car was fine, but the tachometer wasn't. And then I tried fixing the distributor, the wires. Like I just switched out the wires from another distributor, and that shit just blew up on me. So anyways, this is an ECU from a blue top JDM from a real AE86 from Japan. So yeah, this is just the engine harness. So this is gonna be weird how I'm gonna do it. Maybe this might be like a tutorial how to convert your USDM car from a airflow meter to a map style engine. There's a distributor. So you can tell from the USDM they have 2 plugs, and this one has 1. Honestly, don't know why, but I don't know. But this is the distributor, and then here's the igniter and coil. Goes in the car. Hoping that everything, like, that's my friend. He just said I just gotta repin the plug that goes to the junction box. And but yeah, this is pretty small. You got the map sensor right here. Still got your plugs. I said the only thing he told me about that he got me a pigtail for the oil pressure sender, where it tells you how much oil pressure you have. It was like cut off, I think. But yeah, you got your reverse lights. I don't know if I'm at to like extend the wiring, because this is from a right-hand drive car. And let's see, I think this is the O2 sensor. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I got everything here. I'm trying to look for the plug I'm at to fix. Cause these goes in the ECU. Yeah, we'll see how it works. Yeah, map chips is right there. Anyways, I'll just put this back. It's kind of messy right now. Hopefully this works, man. I don't know. I fucking hate like my fuel pump stopped working. It works, but like if you jump it, and I replaced the relay thinking it was a relay, circuit opening relay, and it's still like that one works. So I'm just like wasting my money. And I think it's just like I don't feel like buying another coil or igniter because I'm just gambling at this point. But now I feel like I'm just gonna reset or something. So this right here is so the intake from Blue Top JDM. It's still the same, but it's kind of different. The intake temperature gauge sensor on the USDM cars, it's inside the airflow meter. Probably it's like that black nipple inside of it. You've probably seen it. But for these, it's inside the intake because it doesn't use, it doesn't have an airflow meter. It runs on map, right? And this came pretty quick. I ordered it on like a day and a half ago. Oh shit, there's a bunch of, I don't know, eBay's pretty quick, man. I ordered the ITBs on eBay. I got them for like $400. You can say that's expensive, or that's how much they go for. They range up there. And yeah, it came from Japan too. And they use man, they put a bunch of packing peanuts. Whatever. I just put everything back. Alright, here we go. So we got this is a intake that I got. It looks super clean to me. And I don't know, they probably just spray painted it. It looks too clean. Because the other ones were like dirty. Whatever. I'm just gonna spray it from on the bottom. Never mind, I feel like, well, it looked different from the picture. Damn. Alright. I think they just like buffed it out or something. Alright. Here it is, right? Alright guys, here it is. It looks pretty clean, right? Oh shit. Alright guys, here's the JDM intake from a Blue Top. Same thing. This is for the where it catches the oil, just sends it back to the intake. And this is another, I don't know if I'll use this one, maybe another intake sensor, intake air sensor. And this is where I call it, it's where your brake booster will go. You just put it here. And this is for another vacuum sensing, whatever. I gotta look at that. And for this one, I don't know, I think I could just squeeze these out. Cause I don't have these. It's gonna be annoying taking all this shit out. Anyways, I guess we'll go look at the car and show you what I've done so far. Probably nothing. Alright, this is the 86. Last video I didn't even show you that I had the freaking Watson Albays on. I still haven't done brakes, guys. I just been at school freaking doing stuff. Just a bunch of stuff. Here it is. Alright guys, there's really nothing to say about my engine. Everything's good other than the fact that the distributor messed up like some of the electronics, especially the coil and the igniter. And I don't know what happened to the airflow meter. Like, why does the fuel pump stop turning on with the ignition switch on? It's so weird to me. But I'm trying a new setup, and I'm gonna see how it goes. And if I have to do anything else and just go back to try fixing this setup, then I'll fix it. But for now, I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna go from airflow meter to a map conversion, and see if that makes a car even better than this stupid slow airflow meter setup. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, all right, bye.